Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Ready for your next adventure? I've got the perfect spot, Tacoma, Washington. Nestled on Puget Sound, Tacoma is a city bursting with energy. Think stunning landscapes, vibrant art scenes, and adventures galore. Whether you're a history buff, an art aficionado, or an outdoor enthusiast, Tacoma has something for you. Let's dive into the heart of this dynamic city and discover its hidden gems. Tacoma's charm lies in its perfect blend of urban excitement and natural beauty. Imagine strolling through bustling streets lined with colorful murals, then stumbling upon a serene park with breathtaking views of Mount Rainier. That's Tacoma for you. This city will surprise you at every turn, leaving you wanting more. So what are we waiting for? Let's explore. Tacoma is a haven for art lovers. Let's start our journey at the Museum of Glass, an architectural marvel. Watch skilled artists create stunning glass masterpieces before your eyes. The vibrant colors and intricate designs will leave you mesmerized. Next up, history buffs will love the LeMay, America's Car Museum. This museum houses an impressive collection of vintage cars, each telling a unique story. From classic Ford models to sleek sports cars, you'll travel through time on four wheels. Don't forget to check out the rotating exhibits for a special treat. Get ready to immerse yourself in nature's beauty at Point Defiance Park. This urban oasis offers over 700 acres of lush forests, sparkling beaches, and scenic trails. Hike through towering trees, breathe in the fresh sea air, and let the tranquility wash over you. For some wildlife fun, head to the Point Defiance Zoo and Aquarium. Meet fascinating creatures from around the world, from majestic polar bears to playful otters. Learn about conservation efforts and get up close with some amazing animals. Next is the taste of Tacoma food, culture, and waterfront fun. After a day of exploring, indulge in Tacoma's vibrant culinary scene. Head to the waterfront for fresh seafood with stunning views of Commencement Bay. From casual cafes to upscale restaurants, Tacoma has something to please every palate. Stroll along the Ruston Way waterfront for breathtaking views and charming shops. Explore the Tacoma Farmers Market for local produce and handcrafted goods. Immerse yourself in the city's unique culture and soak up the lively atmosphere. As your adventure in Tacoma comes to an end, you'll leave with a heart full of memories and a longing to return. From its captivating art scene to its stunning natural beauty, Tacoma offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and answer Tacoma's call. You won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your support helps us bring you more exciting adventures. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and discovering new places.